My two-minute conviction today is bad company corrupts good character. This is not my quote. This is from the Apostle Paul writing to an early church. It was true all those thousands of years ago as much as it is today. The people we hang around with influence and shape who we become. The old axiom is you become like those you hang around. And so the question is, what sort of company are we keeping? And as leaders, we get influenced in our decision making, our values, and ultimately the culture that we help influence by the company that we keep. They set our benchmark, they set our standard. You know, the friends, the mentors, those we associate with, they become our normal. And rather than being a thermometer, they are the thermostat that set the tone of the life that we then go on to live. I talk about this with my kids, I talk about it with my teams, and sometimes it's interesting, you dupe yourself into thinking that when you're hanging around bad company that you will be the positive influence on them. But it's a risky line ball call because a little bit of them can just as easily rub off on us. And so this is about how we preserve our character, how we make sure that the values and the virtues that we want to stand for and reproduce after our own kind are not diluted by the company that we keep. And this isn't just in the literal world, this is also in the digital world, online and social media. Who are we hanging around with? What are we letting shape us? And then I think really importantly, I often think about what company am I to the people that I hang around with? Am I actually corrupting their character? What influence do I bring? And how do I make sure that I'm someone who speaks life and who promotes opportunity and really reinforces the values and the convictions that I know are true? So there's my 2-minute conviction today. Bad company corrupts good character. What company are you keeping and who are you in that circle of influence? Have a great